Hi everyone, ciao tutti. My name na Convivial. Io mi chiamo Convivial. Today, oggi, I go teach you now. Vi insegnerò Italian alphabet, l'alfabeto italiano. Cominciamo. Ok, we will start. Before I start, I need to talk say Italian alphabet na 21 letters dey inside, unlike the English one. If you notice very well, e go be like say some letters miss. That is because for Italian alphabet, those letters in any word wey for all those letters wey you see for Italian language, no na foreign word na that one be. So make we start, make I teach you as they take dey read them, as they take dey pronounce them, because it dey very different from English one. Okay. A. Repeat after me. A. Okay. A. B. 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 Good. Chi. Chi. Okay. Are you following me? I know soon I got to follow. D. D. A. A. Okay. A. F. 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 Then G. 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 H. 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 I. 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 Please always repeat after me, okay? To make the things easier for you. Okay. Then L. 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 M. 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 N. 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 O. 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 P. 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 Okay. Q. 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 R. 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 S. 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 T. 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 U. 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 V. 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 Z. 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 I hope una follow me read that one. Okay. So out of these 21 letters of the alphabet for Italian language, anyone when I cycle, cerchio means cycle, okay? Anyone when I put cycle, oh sorry, our board is falling apart. Anyone when I underline, sorry, we will leave cycle because if not this our small board go further. Anyone when I put line, you're gonna say now that one be vowel for inside the letters. A. E. I. O. U. Now this one be vocali for Italian alphabet. Meanwhile, the rest will be say I not underline, that they call them consonanti, will be consonant for English. Okay, these vocali, they're very important. All this one when I line, so now this one is really called vocali. They're important because for every Italian word, you must see one or two of them for inside the word. Now understand, Abi? So I first tell you say, if you compare this one with English alphabet, it dey different. Make I tell you the words where they miss inside for if to say we want look them as English on. I go still tell you as they pronounce them. Allora, may I write them? Then I go place the board. J. These last ones, they know the Italian alphabet, but I will still tell you as they read them. This one na J for English. For Italian na J, na CJ. This one na K. For Italian language na Kappa. Kappa. Okay? This one na W. For Italian language na V doppia. This one na X. For Italian language na CX. Why this one na Y? For Italian language na Y. I hope say una understand where, or una want make I repeat them again. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. Now this one be the alphabet of the Italian language. May we still go read the ones when I tell you say, when I tell you I say they know the Italian alphabet, but sometimes you go still see them for some words where they use, but now because in a foreign word, not be real Italo word. Now make you go see say maybe something of from these letters they. I tell you I say their J that they call them J, their K that they call them Kappa, their W that they call them doppia V doppia, sorry. V doppia. Their X that they call an X. Meanwhile, their Y that they call an Y. Okay? So, I don't want me with you they rush these things. I want maybe say today we'll use and learn this alphabet. And you know, remember I tell them say like I go see they do live. So this Saturday I go do live. Anybody where they interested, you go come live with me. This alphabet, I want me we like reverse them together again. As if you remember, as I tell you, say before person even start to they know how to read, you need to know how to pronounce all these letters with the their alphabet. Okay? As I don't read them for now. So on Saturday, anybody will call in, he go like reverse them with me. I want to see whether like una catch them as they pronounce them. Okay? And please, I want to make this platform be positive one. Nobody no pass. Like I want to make everybody they respect everybody. Okay, even Italian people where they get the language sometimes they make mistakes. So don't be too hard on yourself and don't be hard on others. Okay, stay blessed until our next episode. I love you all. Bye bye.